Most streamers go live without a clear plan. Viewers join but leave because they do not understand the room. 𝐀𝐁𝐈𝐋𝐿ive Bootcamp helps streamers build a clear, engaging live room experience before going live. First, you define your room identity, so viewers instantly know what to expect. Next, you build stronger openings that hook viewers in the first moments. Then you create an engagement flow that guides viewers through the stream. Give viewers a clear reason to stay and support your work. Use AI insights to test and improve your room before every stream. All of this comes together in a clean, modern dashboard designed for creators. Imagine going live with confidence, knowing your room is ready. Start 𝐀𝐁𝐈𝐋𝐿ive Bootcamp and build your room before your next stream.